Most of the ram lambs are weaned off from this group now. There's still a few left that are younger. In a couple of weeks they'll be gone, and then it'll be just the females in here. And at that point all the females get sorted. Some are supposed to be going to Quebec, we'll see. If not, they'll be for sale, and the others we'll be keeping for ourselves to expand our purebred Dorset flock. And these are a really nice group of lambs. We're really happy with them. Real chunky little group. These guys will be between 2 and 3 months old. We leave them with their moms this long because we feel the lambs, that's what makes them chunky like this. And it also helps to dry the mums up completely without using drugs or anything like that, because some of those Dorsets and Dordos, they're heavy milkers, and udders are always a problem. So we want to make sure they're totally dry so they can stay here and produce for us for a long time. Oh, she's not a Dordo. That one there with the spots on her face, she's actually a Rideau Suffolk cross. Oh, and that's why you don't keep the little ram lambs in here. Vigorous little bunch of buggers.